Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to clear out cache on any of the Android phone and you are looking out how to do so, you may follow up these process for that. So you can open up your settings application for that, and you can follow the same process for all of the individual applications available on your device. Scroll down, go to the apps and tap on it. After you go to apps, you can just go and see all the applications that you want to manage and just tap on one of the apps. And once you do so, you need to go over to their storage. Scroll down, find the option for storage and tap on it. And once you tap on storage, you will be finding option of clear cache in the bottom right corner. Tap on it and the cache size should drop to 0 for that specific applications. You may follow the same process for each of the applications that is available on your device. If not this, within your settings, once again, you can look out for the battery and device care and tap on it. And once you go over there, you should be finding option for storage. So go ahead and tap on storage. And within storage, you just need to look out for the option of clearing cache. If not here, look out for memory as well. And within memory, you can look out for the cached files available on your device. You just need to wait for this to be completed and tap on this option called clean now. That should also probably clear out the cache on your Android phone very easily. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up if you'd like to clear the cache on your Android device. Pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.